The tread on your tires is key to their performance. Good, high-quality rubber helps maintain traction, channels water away, which helps prevent hydroplaning, and keeps you moving and stopping safely. Fact is, all tires wear out over time. When you see that the tread is even with the wear bars, or when you do the penny test and can see all of Lincoln's head, you need new tires. It's time to replace them. Proper inflation is critical to even tread wear and maximized fuel economy. Check your tire pressure every month, especially as temperatures change. Cold weather can cause a decrease in tire pressure. So remember to make sure they're filled to the PSI rating listed inside your driver's side door frame. Don't forget the spare, and have all your tires checked. If your tire warning light comes on, you hit a pothole, you notice increased vibration, reduced traction, braking, and handling, cracked sidewalls, uneven tread wear, or a drop in fuel economy. It's recommended you replace your tires every 6 years regardless of tread wear. Call to schedule an appointment to see our factory-trained technicians.